Hello everyone, how to add favorite folder in new Outlook. So let's start. First open your new Outlook and go to the left hand side, and here you can see the list of folder. So keep cursor on the folder and to favorite this folder, the send item folder, just click on the three dot and click on the add to favorite. And you can see in top side the favorite section is added. Here the send item folder is added. Now keep cursor on favorites and here the three dot, just click on the three dot and you can add the favorite. So just click on the add favorite and here you select the favorite folder and you can select here the contact also. So I select the Kriya and here the Kriya contact is added. Again I click on the three dot and click on the add favorite. Now I select the draft folder and here the draft folder is added. If you want to remove, just click on the three dot and click on the remove from favorite. Okay, and again here in three dot of favorites, you can pin the favorites, hide the favorites. So I just click on the hide, the favorites is hide. If you want to unhide the favorite, go to the view tab. In layout group, click on the folder pane drop down arrow and here the second option favoritize. Here the click on the first show favorites and you can see your favorites folder or contacts showing here. So that's it. This is a way you can add favorite folder in new Outlook. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.